Hello everyone, welcome to Zaira'z Creative World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a macrame wall hanging. Take 4 kulfi sticks. Using a thread, tie the kulfi sticks together. Tie some more threads like this. Cut the end using scissors. Take 2 ice cream sticks for a support. Here I am using an empty acrylic bottle for the plants. Wall hanging is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Zaira'z Creative World. Bye bye.